Alright, we got a newly arrived package here at Revamping History. Let's open this thing up and see what we got. This is probably something that we got off of eBay. Again, we appreciate everyone out there watching our videos and hitting us up and getting the PDFs from all the digitizations. Constantly working on more and more of those. We appreciate all that support. Alright, looks like we got some Johnny Appleseed type relics here from Johnny Appleseed festivals and possibly in Lisbon, Ohio. Let's see, we got a thing there called the Apple Growers. All kinds of different places that sells apples in and around the Lisbon, Salem. Let's see, where we got Crestview. Yeah, all over the place. Yeah, we got one here. This is from 1981. This is going to be the 14th Johnny Appleseed Festival down there in Lisbon, Ohio, which this is probably all going to be from Lisbon, Ohio. It's hard to tell. Is that like almost like a metal material this is made from? So yeah, this next piece here, some sort of a ticket of sorts. Yeah, for a drawing. Yeah, because we're probably giving away all kinds of different raffle type tickets and different prizes. What else we got here? Yeah, a bit of a advertisement here for getting your picture taken at the Johnny Appleseed Festival. This one here is from 1971. Yeah, it's got a little bit of age on it. Yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, we got another program here. Yeah, this one's even older than that last piece. It's going to be 1968. Yeah, nice little, some kind of a trifold. All kinds of awesome information about all the different activities and the food and the vendors and stuff they had down there. Even a guided tour of the Morgan Monument. Yeah, if you check out our Morgan Surrenders documentary there on YouTube. Yeah, then we have one here from the second annual Johnny Appleseed Festival. This is from 1969. This is pretty cool. Some early on stuff. And the Johnny Appleseed Festival does happen every year, so if you're in the area in Columbiana County, make sure to hit it up. Yeah, all kinds of awesome information. We may even go through and digitize all this stuff. We do have other pieces from Johnny Appleseed Memorabilia as well. Yeah, we'll end up turning into a PDF and put that out for free, of course, with all the rest of the PDFs that we do. Let's see what else we got here. And this is the third annual Johnny Appleseed Festival program, 1970. We even had two big parades back then, on a Thursday and a Saturday. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. You got all kinds of information on the inside, different pictures. Yeah, all kinds of cool stuff. Yeah, moving right along, we got another one here, the Johnny Appleseed Festival. Yeah, a little thing here from 1969. Yeah, another program here. See, Johnny Appleseed Festival, 5th annual. It'll be 1972. Yeah, all kinds of cool stuff there. The Apple Growers, saw the thing earlier, but all different lodging, different food. Yeah, so that looks like that's going to be it for this one here. Nice additions for our Johnny Appleseed Festival memorabilia. Appreciate everybody watching out there. Stay tuned for more videos coming out. And have a great day, y'all.